Hi guys, welcome back to Detailing and the Beast. Day 5 in our scratch remover mega test, and today this is the one I think that a lot of you, and certainly I am looking forward to doing, and that is the Car Pride easy to use paint scratch remover pen. Let's get to it. Up to now then, we have done 4 products, and today is the turn of the Car Pride scratch remover pen. This thing says it's quick results, water resistant, a professional finish and easy to use. Let's have a look at what we will be using it on today. So we have, as per always, our control section, which is basically the imperfections that we have. Starting point effectively that we can always come and refer back to, and this is the Car Pride section, them same induced swirl marks and the scratch down the middle. Now this is a little bit different in terms of a product because this one only claims to remove scratches. It doesn't claim to remove swirls. Obviously you'd be scribbling over this all day. So in terms of where we're looking at swirls on all the others, with this one we are only going to be looking at that scratch down the middle. So easy to use instructions. Basically we have to draw this pen along the scratch, we wait for it to dry, and then we buff it to a finish. This pen I got for £3.50 and it only contains 5ml of product for £3.50, but if it removes the scratch it's going to be £3.50 well spent. I don't think this is going to work, but let's get to it. We'll have a look and we'll come back in a couple of minutes. So if you've ever used like a tire art pen, it's pretty much the same as that. You press it down to dispense the liquid, wait till the tip gets wet, and then start to draw over the surface of that scratch. So that's the tip, nice and wet. We're just going to run that across the length of that scratch, leave it to dry. And then we'll buff it off. So first impressions are that when you actually run this over the scratch does actually disappear. It's obviously because it's under liquid. Let me see if I can get in here and show you one-handed how this works. That's why I'm effectively colouring in that scratch, and you can see that it does leave liquid behind. You can see the scratch continuing over there. You know, I'll fill a bit more in. Just do a tiny bit. Now, I'm going to leave that to dry. I'm going to go and have some lunch, and then we'll come back and we'll buff it off. Now, earlier I said I was going to nip off for some lunch and come back after this had dried. It's now 10 to 9 at night. And as you can see, we'll show you this section here, it hasn't bloody dried. It's been best part of 8 hours. 8 hours for that to dry. We're in a nice, warm, heated garage. No excuse whatsoever. So that can now be buffed back. And I'm guessing a last place finish in the mega test for Car Pride. Let's get that buffed off and we'll see where we're at. So the instructions, you know, they're not exactly difficult. Remove the cap, guide the pen along the scratch, allow to fully dry. You know, how long do I have to leave that? I've left it 8 hours. I think that was more than fair, more than adequate. I was only expecting that to possibly take 30 minutes or so. I mean, this is a nice, warm, heated garage. And for me, That is totally unacceptable. A bad product. We didn't do this, we did do that. Can you tell the difference? I can't. Really poor, pretty much as expected, to be honest. And without surmising too much about the final mega test of all these products, I would suggest that this is going to end up in last place. There you go then, the review of the Car Pride Paint Scratch Remover Pen. Absolute garbage. I would not recommend you go out and get that at all, but we have included it, and we will include it in the final review of all of these products. We've only got a few more to do now, so stay tuned. They'll be coming this week, and then the mega test will be coming, the final review, and the scoring of all of these will be coming at the end of the week. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.